in the morning. We're all in the car, and all of a sudden it's quiet. Everybody's in the back, he's snoring. Let's be quiet so we can hear him snore. Oh God, he's snoring. He's so loud. His hood's over his face. His thumb's in his mouth.
Like a little baby.
Baby Mickey. He's sleeping. He has no idea I'm videotaping him. That's the good part. That's the fun part. This should be videotaped, my brother. This should be titled "My Brother-in-Law Snoring." Oh God, he's so funny. This is gonna be a good. This is gonna be a good Facebook video. Mickey farts in the car. Now he yawns, snores in the car. It gets louder by the second. You hear him? He's like,
I'm gonna throw my shoe at him.
He's like he's on a nebulizer or something. Nebulizer or whatever.
Yeah.
Did he sleep on a nebulizer?
Probably in the hospital, I guess.
Sounds like he's doing wet willies. He's breathing. Miggy. He's out. He's out like a light.
He's Grandpa.
He's sleeping. Rough night?
Wake up, Grandpa. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Oh, it was just...
What if we blast the music loud when he wakes up?
Oh,
Let's try it. Let's try an experiment.